Hi there! Welcome to another daily vlog. So, today is Aaron's day. I'm on my way to the mall to run some errands and grab lunch. Then, I just have some important things to do and to attend to. Then, after that, maybe I'll just stay in the coffee shop, read a book, chill, have a drink. Because it's really hot outside. Really, really hot. Now the temperature on my dashboard, it's like 37 degrees Celsius. So let's just stay indoor for today. Then after, I'll try to drop by the grocery store to buy some stuff for dollar. Tapos, ano pa ba gagawin natin? Well, I have to update my journal, the usual things I usually do. So, nothing so special today. So, I will just enjoy my day, enjoy the sunny day, and just finish all the things I have to do on my checklist. So, why don't you join with me today on my sunny day Monday? Hey, I'm back. So, just got here in the car. I'm done doing my errands here in town center. I grabbed lunch also. So, now I'm off to Westgate to do some important things there and maybe just chill down, read a book, grab a drink. So, that'll be my afternoon today. And I'm not sure if I'm going to have dinner with a friend later. So let's see. I'm just waiting for her confirmation for that dinner date. So there. So far, that's my plan for today. So why not join me in my coffee shop chilling day today? Hey, what's up? So I'm driving now to West Parade. I just finished all the stuff that I need to do in Westgate. So, mukhang okay naman yung naging meeting. Kailangan mag-compromise for the welfare of everyone. Pero, it's okay. Siguro that's the best way also to deal with it. Anyway, alam na lang kausap ko yung kung ano gagawin niya. So, there. Okay naman so far yung araw natin. I just wanna sit down in a coffee shop and grab a drink para magawa ko pa yung mga kailangan ko gawin, like update my journals. I have to do some documents pa, and there, I have to finish everything first before I head back home. Okay. just parked. So I'm here at Blake's Alabang. It's my first time to try the restaurant. So I'm going to try it if masarap yung pagkain nila, if totoo yung sinasabi nila. So samahan niyo ako at try natin yung Blake's restaurant here. Hey, I just got back in the car. So, I just had the dinner at Blake's Alabang. Okay, it's my first time to visit that restaurant kasi may nakausap akong friend, sabi niya galing daw yun somewhere, I think north or east, I don't know. Basta hindi dito sa south. So, when they put up one branch here, nakikita ko na siya whenever I go out of the village. Tapos nakausap ko yung isang friend, sabi niya masarap daw talaga doon. So, maganda yung reputation niya somewhere kung saan siya nag-start. So, I gave it a try tonight. And in all fairness, service was good. Quality of food, sobrang okay. Value for money, pasok. Sobrang, alam mo yung cost niya, saktong-sakto lang sa portioning niya. Hindi ka lugi. Sobrang ganda ng deal na yun. And the service, grabe. Very tutok sila lahat, regardless if it's a regular crew or a trainee staff. Grabe yung service. Sana hindi magbago yung service ng Blake's. And it was really a good first experience at Blake's. So definitely, I'm going to bring my parents and daughter there. Buti na lang, at the same time, I asked them if they allow dogs inside the restaurant. Pwede naman daw, they accept pets inside. Pero may designated tables lang. So, tables that are at the corners yata, yun yung pwede. Basta hindi siya yung nasa gitna, not the tables in the middle. Para at least hindi nakakasagabal siguro when they're serving food. Understandable naman. Pero at least nag-accept sila ng pet or pets. Good thing. Plus pogi point sa akin yun na pet-friendly restaurant. Kasi when we had dollar, talagang I always look for a restaurant na pwede namin siyang dalhin talaga. Kasi yun lang din yung time na nakakalabas siya, nakakapasyal siya. So, gusto ng parents ko na dala-dala si dollar parate wherever we go. Kung pwede nga siyang dalhin sa mga vacation parate, dadalhin talaga siya. Kaya plus points yun sa akin na plus points yun sa akin na pwedeng dalhin yung pets sa loob ng restaurant. Lalo na ngayon magsa-summer, so mainit. At mahirap kumain sa labas ng mainit. Hindi mo ma-enjoy yung food no matter how good the food is. Kung hindi ka naman comfortable kumain, walang silbi yun. But anyway, thank you for joining me today on my daily vlog. At may na-discover na naman tayong bago ngayon na restaurant na pwede natin balik-balikan. And thank you guys again for joining me, and I'll see you on the next daily vlog. Bye-bye!